Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up email on your WordPress website. We will cover the essential steps to ensure your site's emails are delivered reliably, avoiding spam folders. This guide will help you configure an SMTP service, which is vital for transactional emails like password resets and contact form submissions. By the end, you will have a robust email system in place, improving communication with your users. WordPress, by default, uses the PHP mail function, which often leads to emails landing in spam or not being sent at all. An SMTP plugin solves this by connecting your site to a dedicated mail server, ensuring much higher deliverability rates. Popular choices include WP Mail SMTP, Post SMTP Mailer, and Fluent SMTP. Each offers unique features, so select one that best fits your specific requirements and budget. Once you have installed and activated your preferred SMTP plugin, navigate to its settings page within your WordPress dashboard. Here, you will input crucial details from your email service provider. This includes the SMTP host, typically a domain name, and the port number, often 465 or 587. Remember to use an application-specific password for authentication, not your main email password, for enhanced security. After configuring your plugin, it is essential to send a test email to verify everything is working correctly. Most SMTP plugins offer a dedicated test email feature. Send it to a personal email address and check both your inbox and spam folder. If the email does not arrive, carefully recheck your SMTP host, port, and authentication credentials. Your email service provider's documentation is a valuable resource for troubleshooting specific connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.